Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know, I have started another protective style challenge, and this time around I'll be going for 6 months. Now I know that for some people it might sound crazy, it might sound a bit too far. I'm on an intensive hair growth journey. I'm going to be doing some things that may not seem like the norm. When I say I'm going on a 6 months protective style challenge, I don't mean that my hair is going to be in one style for that 6 months without doing anything to it, like without touching my hair. No, that is not what this challenge is all about. This challenge is all about seeing how we can minimize manipulation, control the number of times that our hands get to touch our hair. The more your hands are on your hair, the more breakage, the more split ends, the more single strand knots, and all those things that we really do not want to experience on our natural hair. So I'm going on a 6 month challenge, but let me walk you through what I'm going to be doing in this 6 months. Right now, my hair is up to 3 weeks already, and this is what it's looking like. I'm going to show you guys a clearer picture of what my hair is looking like. Like it or not, I'm on an aggressive length retention challenge. I've not come out officially to say okay, I'm on a 6 months challenge and all that, but I've mentioned it in a few platforms here and there, just to give you guys an idea of what I'm about to do. So it's still the same thing with my 3 months challenge, only that this is going to be for 6 months. But pretty much I'm going to be doing almost exactly what I did in my 3 months challenge. Now I say almost, so some things are going to be changing, or I'm going to be adding a little bit here and there. Now, considering the fact that I'm a weekly washer, I find that the less you wash your hair, the more moisture, the more your hair retains moisture. Now, we know that shampoo has the ability to strip our hair of its natural oils and all that. So I think the less you wash your hair, the more you're going to be keeping a lot of hairs on your head. So this is not a loose hair. I'm washing my hair. I'm going to be washing my hair all through in braids. But one thing is going to change. Usually I would take down my hair and rebraid every 2 weeks. This time around, I'm going to be rebraiding my hair once in 2 months. Yes, because I really want to see the extent to which my hair goes. I really want to be able to, see the visible growth that comes out of my scalp. Right now, this is just 3 weeks, but I'm going to be rebraiding my hair once in 2 months. But for the perimeter of my hair, especially the front section, when I mean the front section, just a few hair like this, I'm going to be rebraiding them once in a month. And the reason is because I don't want this side of my hair to lock up. It's not really easy for braids to lock up as much as twists, because for braids you don't have a lot of hair moving around coming out. But for twist, if this were to be twist, I would be having issues with my hair flying all over the place. So if I don't retwist them, I'm going to have issues with locking my hair. I'm going to be doing that once in a month, and that is going to help me to minimize the level of matting that I'm going to get in that front section, keeping them refreshed, stretched out once in a month is going to help me a lot in minimizing breakage when I finally get to that 6 months that I'm aiming for. I experienced less breakage, less shedding in the front section of my hair. My front section, which usually used to be the shortest, they grew a lot, they grew a lot in my last challenge. So I want to keep it that way. Rebraiding them once in a month is going to help me. Then washing my hair, of course, I'm going to be washing my hair once in a month. So I'm going to be doing protein treatments, tea rinses. Those are the things that I find to be very helpful to me in growing out my natural hair. So this here is an aggressive length retention for me. I'm going to be keeping my braids in for 6 months. Now, if you want to join me on this challenge, please come along with me on this journey. Let's retain some length aggressively. But mind you, I'm still moisturizing my hair. I'm going to be moisturizing my hair, say 2-3 times a week. And because I go out often, and of course the sun is always shining and all that, so I'm going to be on my moisture game. I'm going to be on my moisture game. I'm also going to be doing scalp massages. Those are very, very beneficial because it helps with blood circulation. It helps with promoting hair growth. So I'm going to be doing that as well. Yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing. I'm not neglecting my hair because it's in a protective style. Of course not. I'm still doing my routine and I'm going to be updating you guys as I go along. But just so you know, 6 months challenge is a long time, it's a long way to go. But I'm hoping I'm going to be able to go through it and hopefully see great results. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you're better informed. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.